Imagine this. You walk up to a printed wall, but instead of a flat image, you can see and feel the texture of canvas or delicate three-dimensional decorations under your fingertips. You touch it and think, how on earth is that made? That is exactly what raised printing is, also known as structural printing. And you know what? It's a technique you can learn on your very first day working with our printer. Hi, Rafi from Wall Printers here. In this video, we're diving into raised printing. I'll explain why this method catches the client's eye so effectively and how you can use it as your strongest sales argument. I'll show you how the technique works in practice, and you'll see that you don't need to be a graphic designer to use it. We'll go step by step through the preparation and execution. And finally, you'll discover 3 ready-made market niches where you can start earning. First off, let's define exactly what raised printing is. It's a technique where a thick layer of white ink, an undercoat, is applied to the wall first. This creates a three-dimensional texture you can feel, and only then is the actual colored image printed on top. This gives a flat space depth, changes how it reacts to light, and draws the eye. This white base is about 0.5 millimeter thick. That is more than enough to create a three-dimensional structure. How do we know that raised printing is a high-potential topic? Like most things related to wall printing? From experience. In our showroom, we have a piece in the form of a canvas print. It's a reproduction of Munch's The Scream. We watch the people who visit us. The first thing they do, they walk straight up to that image because they can see the texture resembling brushstrokes and they want to touch it. But how do you achieve that effect? It all comes down to setting the machine parameters correctly and preparing the undercoat. If you're thinking, I'm not a designer, I won't be able to handle this, just take a breath. Preparing files for wall printing, including those with raised elements, is simple and takes about 15 minutes in practice. The key element in the whole process is the Epson i3200 printhead. The right number of channels, nozzle density, and white ink management technology allow for the precise application of successive layers. It's the printhead that gives you full control over the entire process. Let's go step by step through the procedure for preparing the file and the equipment, as you control everything in just 2 stages. Step 1. Spend a moment in Photoshop. Using the magic wand and the channels options, you can indicate the areas where you want the raised effect in just a few clicks. This is how you create the white undercoat with the structural effect. Step 2. Set the parameters in the software. In the RIP software, you select the number of passes to 8. On the printer screen, you set the feathering parameter to the highest value and increase the white ink delivery to 100%. This gives you the maximum density of white application, which guarantees a clear 3D effect. That's all it takes to create a product with an even higher market value in just a few minutes. Once you've mastered the technical side, it's worth thinking about the next step, where and how to make money from it. Structural printing allows you to enter the market with an offer where traditional printing methods simply don't apply. Here are 3 ready-made high-margin market niches you can move into. Number 1. 3-dimensional art replicas with a brushstroke effect. You can print works of art with a tangible paint structure that imitates brushstrokes. You perform this kind of print on canvas intended for framing to fully bring out the artistic qualities of the project. This is a premium service for hotels, restaurants, or luxury private interiors where the client is looking for something that looks like a painting straight from an artist's studio. Number 2. Minimalist spatial wall details. Modern interiors focus on minimalism and the play of light. You can offer clients geometric patterns printed in the exact same color as the wall, but slightly protruding from its surface. This kind of 3D pattern reacts to light and changes its appearance throughout the day. It's a clean, fast, and modern alternative to expensive decorative plasters or time-consuming wall moldings. Number 3. Sensory graphics for children's rooms. Children's rooms are the perfect space for solutions that engage both sight and touch. You can print motifs where a giraffe's spots, a zebra's stripes, or elements of a maze can be felt under the fingers. 3-dimensional sensory patterns are a great talking point with parents, but also a solid offer for private nurseries, playgroups, sensory rooms, or play centers. To wrap up, let's pull together everything you've learned today. Structural printing creates a 3D texture. It involves applying a roughly 0.5 millimeter layer of white ink, resulting in a 3D texture that reacts to light. The process is simple to prepare. It all comes down to selecting the right areas in Photoshop and setting the machine parameters, such as 8 passes and 100% white ink delivery. The Epson i3200 printhead is key. Its design and white ink management technology allow for the precise application of layers. You have 3 specific niches at your disposal. You can earn from art replicas on canvas, minimalist patterns in the wall's color, and sensory graphics for children's spaces. And the 5th, most important point, you don't have to learn everything on your own. By choosing to work with wall printers, you don't just get a machine with an optional i3200 head. As part of the package you tailor to your needs, you can receive on-site training resulting in a certificate, a ready-made portfolio, and a database of video tutorials. And when you're at a client's site, doing a job and time is of the essence, you have our technical chat on Slack. It's available from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., 7 days a week, and the average response time is under 3 minutes. We don't leave you to handle it alone. Structural printing is a simple way to enter the premium job segment without complicated equipment and without weeks of self-teaching. You focus on getting clients, and we provide the technology, knowledge, and daily support. If you want to take the next step, fill out the short form under this video. I'll leave the link in the description. We'll talk about your business plans, answer your questions, and see how this technology fits into your business model. Thanks for today, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!